If you're looking for an essential oils with 1,000,001 uses, then you need to check out Vetiver Essential Oil. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oil. And today we are talking all about Vetiver. This powerful essential oil has a wide range of benefits from skincare, aromatherapy, and even immunity. So in this video, I'll share with you the uses of Vetiver Essential Oil, how to use it, how it works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. One of my favorite uses of Vetiver Essential Oil is skincare. It helps support skin rejuvenation. Vetiver is often used in a diffuser to help support self-awareness. People who use Vetiver in a diffuser have reported feeling more connected with their thoughts and emotions. Another great reason to put Vetiver in your diffuser or DIY products is because that it is super calming. Vetiver Essential Oil has also been used in Ayurvedic medicine to help support feelings of love and connection. Its warm, earthy aroma can help evoke feelings of security. You can also use this oil to help boost your immunity. Try it in a roll-on, apply it to pulse points to help keep your immune system at its best. So let's talk about how Vetiver Essential Oil works. Vetiver Essential Oil is, of course, made by the plant vetiver and is made up of a whole bunch of naturally occurring chemicals. The most prominent naturally occurring chemicals in vetiver are trans-lafanaca, trans-isobencenol, and cousimol. To learn more about these naturally occurring chemicals, you can check out our blog post on the topic. So let's make sure you know how to use Vetiver Essential Oil safely. Vetiver Essential Oil is skin safe. You always want to dilute an essential oil before applying it to your skin, but it is unlikely to cause irritation. It's safe to use with kids aged 2 and up. It's generally safe to be used around cats and dogs, but check with your vet first and always be mindful of your pet's behavior when using essential oils. Leave the door open so your pet can leave the space if the aroma disturbs them. To take advantage of the amazing benefits of Vetiver Essential Oil, check it out at simplyearth.com. You can find more recipes and information about vetiver in our blog post, which is linked in the description. Thanks for watching.